What's up, guys? Welcome to a brand new video of the Chicken Empire. So in today's video, all I planned on doing was building a little bit of the big chicken coop area, but so in that area I built a big, not very big, but like a cow pen. So that's really all I did in today's video. The final product will be in the next video, so just bear with me and watch me mine and craft and stuff. I don't know. Anyways, enough of me yapping. Let's just get this video started with already. I started off the day as usual, just in my chicken pen area. I was trying to figure out a way in order to not break this wall. It was a very thin wall, just one block, and you could see it outside. So I decided I don't care really much, so I was just gonna break it anyway so you could see it a little bit. But no, I think sticking to what I did was a better idea, so just watch me mine. Once I mine halfway, my pickaxe broke, so I was gonna have to go grab a new one. Instead of grabbing a new one, my just dumb, I don't know, but I'm just dumb and decided to start making a bigger area, so I started mining dirt and stuff, but it was pretty good. I think it was a good idea to do it earlier because I hate doing this because I have to put a bunch of dirt, which I do not have, so yeah. After all of that, I was done mining, so I started placing the dirt in. But soon enough, I ran out of dirt, so I did something else. So I went over to the crafting table and made some signs to make a counter because last video you guys got me to like 50 subs and stuff. I don't know, but yeah. By the way, the time that I'm editing this is different than the time you guys will be watching this. So like, I recorded this video 3 days ago and I'm posting it today and editing it today, so I don't know how much subs I have and I can't go back in time, so by the time you're seeing this, this is the amount of subs I had last video. So after all of that work, I ran out and started looking for something to do. Well, not do, but mine. So I needed dirt, so I was looking around anywhere I can't see that wouldn't look weird in my land. So I decided, why not make another portal room? So hear me out. Everything else has a cool build, except for the nether portal and the farm. So I will be upgrading those over time. So this area that you see me digging out will basically be where the nether portal room will be. So it's going to be a drop down, and basically the drop is going to take you down into this room where it's going to be another portal room. So yeah, just watch me dig it out. After that, I decided to fix my stairs even more and it was kind of interfering with the farm, but that's fine since I'm gonna be rebuilding everything except everything else that I built. I'm just rebuilding the farm and the nether portal, so I decided to break it just so I can make it look good. So in my next clip I should be working on the farm again. After all that hard work of mining the ground out, I finally was done. Then I decided to empty out my inventory with all this random stuff, and then I should be placing the blocks, but I have no idea why I started to do this. By the way, guess what? I ran out of damn deep slate. I am so mad of this. Every single day I try to build something, I have to go down into the cave and mine deep slate. I should mine like 12 stacks, but even that's not enough. So I decided to mine so much deep slate that I wouldn't be able to run out that fast. So I just spent 50 minutes on a tiny build. Imagine if it was bigger than that. After mining for at least 50 minutes, no, not even 50, at least for like 30 minutes, I was finally done mining all of the deep slate that I needed. I ended up mining like 4 stacks, so I started going upwards out of the cave, ready to build the entire farm. After I went to bed, I went over to my saw and started sanding down all the deep slate in order to build the build. That sounds so stupid, but yeah, that's all I did for literally just like 5 seconds. Anyways, after I did that, I decided to break down this chicken coop, the original one, because I technically don't need it anymore since, well, obviously I built a new one, and a better one. So I decided to chop it all down, and once I move in the cows and the sheep, I will chop down the original, I don't even know, the cows and the sheep, and I don't know what I'm gonna call that one, but yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention, I found this cool texture block that looks a little bit good on the deep slate walls. It also adds this cool, I don't know, just like thing. So I decided to add it all over the walls. Anyways, guys, that's all the footage I can really show you, considering I didn't get all the footage from the last video. So I'll just show it to you guys next vid. That one will be where I actually edit it the same day I play.